in field services. We have builds going on out in the field. We have finance and purchase orders to true up. We have designs to walk through initially. We have designs to discuss with our engineering vendors. So every day has a little bit of something. Sometimes you head out into the field right away. Sometimes you go to the office and get some things done there. But I wouldn't say that a day is entirely in the field or entirely in the office in most cases.
We built 5 million feet of fiber here in the Columbus area. Our quality is top notch. We make sure everything's American made. Try to use as many locals as possible to make sure our fiber is the best.
You come in and have some sort of knowledge, some sort of background behind it. IP addresses, VLANs, just anything with building a configuration that makes the job a whole lot easier.
Pace is varied. Pace is what you make it. Regardless of your market or your experience level, everyone has their own style. And at the end of the day, the job gets done.
I like the culture inside this building. From where I came from, it just felt like there really wasn't that much of a culture to it. Just everybody kind of stuck to themselves. This feels more family oriented.
I can walk up to anybody and talk about my job. We're all in it together. There's an energy and you want things to go well and you want to help each other and learn from each other. That's really the culture. That's the no asshole policy.
I can't remember the number I was when I came in, but I'm seeing the growth. I'm seeing the footprints and where they're trying to expand. There's always opportunities as far as different positions within Everstream. They do a lot of internal hiring and moving around for people if they want to try something new, so you don't just feel like you're stuck in one area.
The sky's the limit. There's lots of opportunity to progress wherever you want to be.
It's a really unique and very fulfilling place to be.